Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over SHIBURAI. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I wanted to bring y'all an update on SHIBURAI. Right now, SHIBURAI is sitting at a $5.6 million market cap with 1,600 holders. This project, SHIBURAI, is less than a month old right now. It came out around December 24th last year. And I'm very bullish on this project. This is a long-term hold for me. SHIBURAI is a community-governed project. 3% of the buy and sell activity gets sent to a dynamic access fund, which the community, the token holders, have governance over how the funds are distributed. They can get burnt, they can get redistributed into marketing. SHIBURAI also has a 1% reflection. For holding this token, you will receive more tokens by simply holding this token. So I love when coins have that tokenomic of a reflection. And SHIBURAI also has a scalable burn. So over time, with the scalable burn called transcendence, this token SHIBURAI will increase in value. And it's not financial advice, but I plan on holding SHIBURAI for a long time. And today I just wanted to make a video to inform everybody that SHIBURAI will be listed on BKEX starting January 20th. It's the first centralized listing for SHIBURAI, right? BKEX is an Asian market, a very big crypto exchange in the Asian market. You can see the trading pair, SHIBURAI to USDT. You'll be able to deposit and trade SHIBURAI on January 20th, and January 21st is when you will be able to withdraw. So full trading ability will happen on January 21st when you're able to deposit, withdraw, and trade SHIBURAI. So this is good news for SHIBURAI. I will keep y'all informed on this project, on all new developments that's happening. They plan on releasing NFTs soon. They're also gonna release a SHIBURAI army swap that's gonna be a multi-chain swap. So it's a lot of development coming with this project. I would definitely keep my eye on SHIBURAI. That's my video for today. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out, peace.